Welcome back to Spaghetti with Gun. Sorry about the wait. Now remember, this is by WP Animations. Episode 3, Lawnmower Joe. After Spaghetti got his new gun, he was happy. He met someone who was killing people. They then became friends. I am Lawnmower Joe. Did I ask? They started to kill people. Then they found a USB. To be continued. You may download the Spaghetti with Gun game in the description below. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.